It's always been a shadow in me. Well, over my shoulder there's always a voice somewhere saying I never should try to set my heart free. I wish that love would come and take me in her arms and show me what I never know. And if I could hold